In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font settings in speaker notes using Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or simply want to personalize your notes, adjusting the font settings can make a significant difference in readability and presentation style. Let's get started and walk you through the simple steps to customize your speaker notes. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft PowerPoint app on your computer. This is the necessary starting point, so if you haven't already done so, go ahead and launch the app. Once you're in the program, locate the presentation you'd like to work on. This could be an existing project, or you can create a new one for practice purposes. Click on the presentation to open it. Now that you have your presentation ready, direct your attention to the top menu bar and find the View tab. Clicking on View will present you with several options, and from there you want to select Notes. This will take you to the Notes page where you can see and edit the speaker notes associated with the presentation slides. Once on the Notes page, you'll notice the text you want to change. It's important here to select the portion of text within the Notes section that you'd like to modify. You can do this by simply clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired text. Ensuring that the correct text is highlighted is crucial before making any font changes, so double check that you have only the intended text selected. With your text selected, navigate to the Home tab found in the top menu bar. Clicking on Home will provide you with a host of formatting tools available within PowerPoint. Here you can change the font style, size, and even color according to your preference. Use these tools to preview your changes in real time. Take some time to experiment with different font styles and sizes until you find the one that best suits your needs. Remember, the aim is not only aesthetic but also functional. Choose a font that maximizes readability for effective presentation delivery. It's worth noting that consistency across all your notes enhances professionalism, so consider applying similar changes throughout all your slides if needed. Plus, always take a moment to review your changes before finalizing, ensuring there are no formatting errors. Once you're satisfied, save your presentation and you're all set. Making these adjustments will undoubtedly make your notes more accessible and tailored to your requirements. There you have it, a straightforward guide to changing font settings in your PowerPoint speaker notes. This enhancement can help deliver your presentation with greater confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.